Just how dilapidated is Consuelo Pinto's fridge?
My fridge isn't in good shape at all. You can see here how the rubber gasket around the door is partially broken. So the freezer doesn't work properly anymore, and it always defrosts quickly. I sometimes put a chair in front of it to keep the food from spoiling.
Consuelo's old fridge has had its day and swallowed up a lot of money she didn't have. She paid off the electricity bills she ran up. Now she's getting rid of the fridge. Transportation was arranged days ago.
You have enough room, don't you?
Consuelo lives in a poor neighborhood in the city of Maceió. Today, she's in a mood to celebrate.
I'm so excited. I won't calm down until I have my new fridge.
75 residents are swapping their old refrigerators for new ones. At the collection point, fridges up to 40 years old are piling up. They guzzle huge amounts of electricity and damage the environment because they're filled with CFCs. All the people taking part in the upgrade are first given a T-shirt promoting the local electric company, which is footing the bill for the project. Consuelo isn't paying a centavo for her new fridge. A law requires Brazilian power companies to invest in energy efficiency, especially among the disadvantaged. Even so, only people who have accounts with the power company and pay their bills are eligible. The many who tap their electricity illegally go away empty-handed.